If you want to factory reset your OPPO Find X9, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So we can, for example, open Settings, scroll all the way down over here and choose System and Update, and then we can go to Backup and Reset in order to find the Reset Phone option. Now in here we have Erase All Data. Of course, we will erase everything that we have on our phone, so make sure to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose. And you can also erase data but retain eSIM profiles, or you can just remove everything at once, including eSIM. And after that, of course, your phone will reboot and you will be back into the first setup or initial configuration. But what you can also do is use the recovery mode. But in this case, what you need to do first is turn off the device. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu. And we're gonna slide this white circle down to power off. Now we will need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down. And afterwards, we're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down button. We will have to hold these two buttons until you see the OPPO logo. And once you see the OPPO logo, you want to hold volume down only, like this. And now we just have to wait for the language selection for the recovery mode. So just patiently keep holding, and soon we should be able to go, there we go, into the recovery mode. First, we can select English language, so we can just tap on English over here. If it doesn't work with tapping, then we can use volume buttons and confirm by pressing the power button. And now over here, we can just choose format data. You will have to enter this code over here in order to confirm that you want to do that. And once that happens, you will erase all data. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.